Hi everybody, you're with Drew at TreeTime Greenhouses. This is a little bit of an experiment we're doing. We did some one-year-old tissue culture and we're going to grow it on for an extra year in a larger plug. And we're already getting some really strong growth on these. You're going to see some really attractive, gorgeous red leaf Thunderchild Crab Apple color on these. And they're in the Strong Start Plus plug, so they will do they'll be planted really well. They'll be nice and big and tall, very nice ornamental type samples. These are turning out just lovely and the color is wonderful. So check out treetime.ca for the latest price and availability on these. The heights on these are already 2 feet tall on the tallest of them, and we're early in the season. This is only May 18th. We're doing really well. This is a great experiment, something that we'll be repeating and trying to control the heights and make sure that they're perfect size for everybody's boxes when they ship. So thank you.